This week I'm testing the Ford Focus Active. It's a 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Ford Focus there are Isofix in the 2 outer seats. They are within plastic guides and really nice and easy to connect to. There's top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 seat backs, really clearly labelled and easy to connect to. Now I found I could fit 3 child seats in the back here, which is fantastic. It is a tight squeeze, but they do fit. With a rear facing child seat, we found a 180 centimetre passenger could sit in front, and I could sit between 2 child seats. Storage in the back of the Ford Focus is quite minimal. There are 2 net mat pockets on the back of the front seats that will hold but not conceal an iPad, and the door bins in the back will hold a large refillable water bottle. Storage in the front is much better. There's 2 cup holders in the central console here. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. Behind them is a little storage well, and the central console box isn't a bad size. In front of them there's a wireless phone charging bed, and there's a 12-volt and USB socket there too. The glove box will hold my wallet, but my iPad won't fit in there with the manuals. There's a sunglasses case in the ceiling that is lined, and the door bins are a good size. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and you've got a little storage drawer down by the driver's right knee. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the Ford Focus. Empty, it holds 11 shopping bags. Well, the twin stroller fits with no shopping bags. Well, the tandem stroller fits with 2 shopping bags. The single stroller fits with 2 shopping bags. And the compact stroller fits with 7 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. Overall, the Focus is a really nice car to drive. It does have this rotary dial for a gear lever, which can be a little bit difficult to find the gears. Apart from that, there's great features in here, like the seatbelt removal display in front of the steering wheel, the child lock for the windows and doors. It's a really great car to drive. The media system in the Focus is really nice and easy to use and to navigate. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is fantastic. When you put it into reverse, the camera image is nice and big and clear. You can easily turn the parking sensors off with a button on your steering wheel, and you can zoom into the image, which is really helpful when you're parking. So to sum up with the Ford Focus, it's a great little family SUV. It fits those 3 child seats, great media system, and it's got really good BabyDrive features. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.